Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today I have with me the Micromax In 2B. The Micromax In 1B was launched alongside the Micromax In Note 1 last year, and now Micromax has decided to launch another entry-level smartphone called the In 2B. The Micromax In 2B offers a Unisoc T610 processor, 6.5-inch HD Plus display and a 5000 mAh battery. With a new processor and some new RAM and storage variants, Micromax wants to give you a better entry-level smartphone experience at this price. So let's unbox this phone and take a look at what's inside. But before I do that, I would recommend you head to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you stay notified whenever we upload a new video. So here is the Micromax In 2B. As you can look at the quick specs at the back of the box here, this is the Unisoc T610 processor, the 6.5-inch mini drop LCD display, the 13+2MP dual rear camera setup. This is an entry-level smartphone, so you cannot expect much. And this is a 5000 mAh battery with a 10-watt charger in the box. So, and this is the 4GB RAM plus the 64GB storage variant, and it is in the green finish. Let's just quickly unbox this phone and take off the wrapper. And here is the phone. Here's some simple documentation about protection plans and screen damage with the helpline number. In case something gets damaged, just keep that aside for now. Now let's take a look at the phone. Here's the phone, and it looks like it's the same color as the box. Anyways, we'll come to that later. Keep that aside. What else is there in the box? There is a case, user guide documentation, and a screen protector as well, which you can install by yourself. This is the TPU case and the SIM jacker tool. And as for the other stuff in the box, this is the 10-watt charger that you get. And also is the Type-C USB cable, which is quite good because this is an entry-level smartphone. Let's just move to the phone now. This is the phone. Here are the cameras, dual camera setup at the back, and here is the speaker. The phone's completely made out of plastic. There's nice texture to it, which should be quite grippy. On the left side is the SIM card tray, and the right side are the buttons, and the fingerprint readers at the back. The speakers at the bottom here, not at the bottom, on the back actually. And here is the 3.5mm headphone jack and the Type-C USB port, along with the mic, primary mic. So let's just quickly set up this phone now. Here is the phone. The display looks quite vibrant. The software seems quite smooth right now, and also quite stock, like what you get in most Nokia smartphones. And now that the device has been set up, let's take a closer look at the Micromax In 2B. Micromax In 2B is available in 3 finishes: blue, black and green. We received the 4GB RAM and the 64GB storage variant in the green finish. In terms of design, the phone looks quite similar to the In 1B. The back panel is made of plastic, while the screen on the front is made of glass. The matte finish back has a fine groove texture that gives the phone a good grip, and it does not pick up fingerprints either. The fingerprint reader is located at the back, and so is the speaker, which sits at the bottom right corner. The volume rocker and the power buttons are located on the right side. Apart from the fingerprint reader, the phone also offers a 2D Face ID option to unlock the device. The Micromax In 2B sticks to an HD Plus resolution display like on the In 1B. It's an LCD display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and a water drop style notch at the top. Coming to the core hardware, Micromax goes with a Unisoc T610 processor. It uses 2 Cortex-A75 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Graphics are handled by an ARM G52 GPU. There is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant and a 6GB RAM and a 64GB storage option. The phone offers 256GB of expandable storage via a dedicated microSD card slot in the SIM tray. The rear camera setup includes a 13MP primary camera and a 2MP depth sensor. Selfie duties are handled by a 5MP camera. As for the battery, the Micromax In 2B features a 5000 mAh battery and goes with a 10W charger in the box. The charging adapter connects using a Type-C USB cable that comes in the box. Micromax's In 2B runs a near-stock version of Android 11 and promises guaranteed software updates. Apart from the usual suite of Google apps, I did find an FM radio, a sound recorder and a customized camera app after setting up the phone. The Micromax In 2B seems to offer the complete entry-level smartphone package on paper, but we will have to put it through its paces to find out how it fares against the competition and whether it is a worthy successor to the In 1B. So that was our quick unboxing and your first look at the Micromax In 2B. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.